Hello everyone. So module number 7, assignment question number 8, create a chart to display top and bottom end profitable customers of sample superstore in a single view. How do we approach this problem statement? So first create a graph showing the names of the customers and the profit. It is always a good practice that you sort the data. Then we need a set that will contain top 100 top n customers by profit, right? So I've done a right click on customer name, navigate it to create, and from there to set. I will call this top n customers. Okay, so on the top tab you will select by field top. Here we are not supposed to enter a value, hard code a value. Instead we are supposed to create a parameter. So let's create a parameter which I will just call number of customers of type integer. I'm allowing a range going from minimum 5 to maximum 100 with a step size of 5. Okay, now parameter is ready and we are going to get the set based on the value that you select in the parameter. So we have not chosen enter a value option. We have not hard coded anything. We are going to display the number of customers selected on this parameter number of customers. Okay, so I'm going to now display number of customers here. Right now it is 10. Similarly, I will create one more set which will contain bottom n customers. So by field, we will choose bottom, and instead of hard coding the value, we are going to select the same parameter which we already created for this purpose, which is number of customers. Now that top end customers set and bottom end customers set are ready, you can right click and create a combined set. So if you have selected both of them, when you right click, you can directly create a combined set. Both of them are populated over here. Let us call this top and bottom n. And we need everybody, right? We need everybody in bottom end list and everybody in top end list. So combined everything, all members in both sets. This combined set you have to take to the filter shelf that will display the top end followed by that bottom end. Right now it is 10. If I reduce to 5, top 5 and bottom 5, top 15 and bottom 15, top 20 and bottom 20. So that is how you will solve question number 8. Thank you.